And I'm like, hey, you bet!
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So how did they do it?
Do what? The Kennedys and the Cubans? Again with the assassination there?
Smart ass. How did the partner settle for Bachelorette number 2?
The lovely and talented Miss Sherry Kramer.
Lovely. She certainly is lovely. You certainly are lovely, Miss Sherry Kramer.
Oh, Mickey, how you do make a girl blush.
Chicks with balls don't blush.
Now, Mickey, if I've told you once, I've told you a million times, nobody with the JDMBA is a chick.
If she dresses like a chick, smells like a chick, and she sure as hell moves like a chick.
It's true, you found me out. I'm not just a JDMBA, but I'm a female JDMBA. Woo!
Girl power.
Sweetheart, no man in this office has ever doubted that for a second.
Cut the sweetheart shit, Nick.
Hey Jax, you ever just wonder just a little bit what distinguishes Mo, Larry, and Curly?
Well, Curly's the bald one, right? I think everyone knows that one, Mick.
But we've got all our hair. How'd they do it with these stooges, Mick, Jax, and Kramer? All three went to the brightest schools, all law review, with the highest honors. No doubt all three. The brightest and the best.
Look, Mick, we all knew from right when we started that they were only going to take one of us. Just one. Right?
Only one of us. And we only had 1 year to really stand out and shine. To see if we'd be the one.
That's right, we all came in with the same chance.
And one of us got the job! And that's why we're here celebrating!
Throw him a bag of bombs like we always do.
Like we always do. Together.
Checking out the scene.
Kramer, man, you're not one of us. You're not a guy. You can fantasize all you want about having balls in your Victoria's Secret panties. But what everybody notices are your tits in your Ann Taylor blouse.
Jesus, Mickey, what the fuck is the matter with you?
What the fuck is the matter with me? What the fuck is the matter with me? What the fuck is the matter with you? She got the fucking job. How in the hell did she do that? We're like fucking identical triplets. On paper and performance. But one of us got an ass that won't quit under her pinstripes.
You're out of line. You're way out of line, Mickey.
No, I'll tell you what's out of line. What's out of line is that every partner that walks in this office gets a boner the size of the 5th Street docket every time you walk by. And, yeah. You know what distinguishes the Stooges? Nobody ever wanted to get in Curly's pants the way they want to get into yours.
Okay, no, come on.
Sit down, clear your chest, Jackson. I'm the one out of line here, but don't act all fucking high and mighty, homie.
Look,
You check her ballsy ass out, the same as the rest of the boy lawyers with movable parts. And don't think she doesn't notice it either. Congratulations, Kramer, on what you did in the 91st hours anyways.
look. He didn't mean it. He's just... We've all had too much to drink, I think.
We have, haven't we?
It's just hard for him right now. I'm sure he didn't mean it.
No, we're pals. We're colleagues. We made it through together.
Balls intact.
All 6 of them.
Fucking breakable.
Do you check me out, Jax?
You're beautiful, Kramer. What can I say?
Do you think about fucking me, Jax?
No, I mean, like, no. There'd be times when, like, it'd be you, me, and Nick would be passing on the couch.
Do you think about fucking me, Jax?
Yeah.
Do you think they think about it? Do you think they think about what it would be like to have a junior associate they wanted to fuck?
I gotta go, Kramer. I'll call you tomorrow.
Bye. Tequila.